Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself, Assistant Professor Maithili Gauri Shankar, going to teach Introduction of Statistics in the programs FIBCBA, FIBMS and FICS. If we are collecting the data and analyzing, organizing and then getting the result of the data after some calculation, implementing in the practical problem, we will get the full workout of the statistics. So the word statistics seems to have originated from the German word statistics. It was in Italian the word is statistica, Latin status. The meaning of the word is state. This is in turn seems to have come because statistics was widely used initially to collect data for the state so that officials could use the data for better planning in the future. So why statistics is using? For better planning in the future. Statistics is one of the branch of science. So collection of data is doing in statistics. So this is science of data. This involves collecting, analyzing and interpreting information. Some statistician given the sentence of statistics as statistics is a science of counting. Statistics is the science which deals with collection, classification and tabulation of numerical facts as basis for explanation, description and comparison of phenomena. This is told by Leolit. According to Croston and Cowden, the science which deals with collection, analysis, presentation and interpretation of numericals. So whatever we are data collecting, we will make it into the proper table format, then analyze it and presentation and implement and interpret the answer in the future development. There are two types of statistics, descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics has graphical and numerical techniques to summarize and display the information contained in the data set. So whatever data we are collecting, we are representing and using the result of graphical and numerical techniques, that is comes under descriptive statistics. Inferential statistics means sample data to make decision or prediction about a large population of data. Only the sample part of large population is covered, then that data is analyzed and the answer is implemented in the future result. Function of statistics are, it simplifies data. The data collected, if it is very more, means we are compressing it, compiling it and making it to a simple data. It facilitates comparison. Comparison study we can do with this. It helps in ascertaining the relation between variables. To compare more than one variables, statistics is very helpful. Statistics helps in estimation of many results. Statistics helps in decision making in future. Statistics helps in making decision where an uncertainty is involved. It simplifies data means it presents facts in numerical figures. It performance, the whatever performance we are getting, it will be converted to numerical figures or graphical representation. For example, if we are having the performance of class is good, does not make the picture clear about the performance of the students. Similarly, Other thing, it presents facts in aggregate and simplified form. Huge amount of data is used in statistics with various facts linked to it. So whatever huge amount of data we are having using statistics, we can make it to a simple form. But statistics simplifies this data so that it becomes clear to understand the fact in measurable and tabular form and graphical form also. It facilitates comparison. To compare more than one data, one variable, this is helpful. The marks of students before coaching and after coaching, we can compare using the statistics. It helps in ascertain the relation between variables. That is, statistics helps in finding whether there is a relation between two sets of data. If yes, then what is the magnitude of relation also we can find. For example, the increase in inflation and increase in the price of commodities are closely related. This relation between them can be measured and also be placed into a mathematical equation. After solving the mathematical equation, we will get the answer where the difference, close, small relation between these we can identify. The relation between the height and weight of the individual, the effect of certain fertilizer on the crop, number of traffic challans with number of traffic rule offenders are some other example of this topic. Statistics help in estimation. Every business house is interested in estimating their production, sale and profit in the future, keeping in mind the previous performance and trends. So in this way, in production also statistics is helpful. Statistics with proper methods and tools like time series help in the prediction of performance of such variables with a reasonable standard of accuracy. So using the time series topic, we can find the standard of accuracy. Statistics helps in decision making. Accurate statistical analysis of the data available from the past and estimate technique facilitates government, economics and business organization in a rational decision making process. Not even in bigger industries, in small business also we can use the statistics to make decisions. Statistics helps in making decision where an uncertainty is involved. The result of many phenomena is uncertain. Here we can use the statistics to get the clear idea. If a manufacturer wants to launch a new product, he is not sure on the success of the new product in the market. So here statistics will helpful to launch a new product. Manufacturer can take a risk even in this certain situation with the help of data related to similar product and using the statistical tools of probability. Thus, statistics helps the decision makers to select their future course of action and strategy with minimum risk. Where the statistics are using, some of the idea we have seen above. Generally, statistical techniques can be used in the field for which numerical data is collected. There are used in social science like economic, psychology, sociology, as well as in exact science like biology and physics. Business activity, accounts and finance, social science, state administration, even though in a common man decision we can use statistics. Limitation of statistics are there. Statistics method can apply to group of data and does not highlight individual facts. Means we can conclude the answer for group of data, not for the individual man or individual facts. Statistics is a qualitative and quantitative study of facts. Statistics conclusions are not truly universal. statistics can be misused if the data collected are in the negative way. Thank you, students.